Hi besties, in this video I am going to show you guys how to easily close up the gap between your lace and your cap, that you end up getting a full braided wig, a wig that is very full, just like this one you can see on the screen. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to join the family, please do that. So let's further ahead with the video. You need the tiny crochet pin, not the big one, okay, not the former one I showed you guys on how you can crochet your wig. You need the small one because you are going to be crocheting on the lace, okay. You'll be picking on the lace, just that gap between your lace and the cap needs to be closed up. You need to close it up, so you need the tiny one, crochet on the lace, small hair, like you're going to use a small braiding hair, a small extension to crochet, then get a bigger one and braid. Okay, I've already showed you guys how to two ways you can crochet and braid your wig, so use any of those patterns to do that. And when you are doing this, no, do not give any space. The importance of this is that the gap between your lace and your cap will be closed up, and again it will make your wig to be very full, that you can always style it anyhow you want. Okay, please do not use the bigger crochet pin. You need to use the smaller one because you are working on the lace, like you are crocheting on the lace, not the cap now, because that space needs to be closed up. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, but if you follow this video you understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so guys, this is a closer view of what I did. Did you see that I did not give space while I was closing this up? I hope you got value from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. For you not to miss any of my tutorial videos, kindly hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Turn on the notification bell so that once you upload tutorial videos, you will get notified. See you guys in my next video.